Yo, Sagafe, today I am gonna show you how to create Afrobeat instrumentals for your YouTube channel or for placement. If you're a beginner, this video is gonna be very helpful. We're gonna see how to create chord progressions, melody, drum, and bass. Even if you're a Grammy nominated producer, you will find something to learn in this video. So let's have some fun. Every time that I start my beat, I always have the first idea, and then after I can definitely freestyle and then go with the flow. I have my tempo set at 106, and let's use a preset from the Mark 1. We go with the stereo, the wheel stereo, and let's create a nice chord progression. Those are too loud. And one thing we can do, we transpose those. Okay, so we have something that is like nice. So and then we duplicate it, and then we change the last note. Nice. Okay, now we can add some noise just to make it sound a little bit more complicated. Okay, I find this preset right there. We're gonna add it. And we want more delay. Nice. And now we need some reverb. Maybe we need something that is more interesting than this. I'll go with the little plate. Now I think I am going to try to find something else to complete it. Let's go with the undercurrent again. We'll go with Saint Long, and there's a preset that was crazy interesting the last time I used this. What to feel that thing? Okay, you just play one note. We remove the delay. We play like one note, like A. It'll be like right. Okay, we have it like that. Nice. These Onyx extensions are very fire, guys. So I'm gonna go to set again, and then let's try to find something that we can combine with the piano that we already have. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Let's copy this, and I'll cue it, can't I? Like we have it like. Yeah, I just play with the filter, then it sounds like this now, and woo, Nice. Okay, I think now we can go to Splice, try to find something to add to it. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, we chop this right there. And then we have this here. We go to stretch pull and then we drag it like I think I want to add more sample because when I use those you can see that the beat go to another level. I think I might use those two. And what's that? We start this like that. Okay, this one right there, I just want to add it. Let's make sure we go to stretch pull. We add it to 4 bars and then we have it. Like that. Okay, I think now we want to add those on some crazy reverb. Let's go and add this reverb right there, which is the Valhalla Vintage Verb. I think I might use this same reverb for this one too. I think that was 3. Let's add it right there. Okay, this one we call it flute loop, and then we are going to add some reverb on it by itself. So that sounds very good. Now I think it's time to add a bass or some drum. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. And then we go down there. Okay, I think I need more vibe, so I can let's go to the gold particle. I need more again. And then we go down. let's use this. Okay, we duplicate this right there. Okay, we can keep it simple. Okay, now we can add a bass, like a synth bass. Let's use C1. We'll go with C1. And then we go to the Wiz bass. I already have a preset in mind, which is the vinyl Wiz, and we add a sub. Okay, I think that sounds good. We copy the low note of the chord progression, and then we pass it here. And for those two, I really wanna like do some sidechain compression. Let's go right there, and then select this. You go to your set, and then you add a limiter, the floaty limiter, and then you go to compressor. You go to the sub-boom bass, sidechain to this one, sidechain to this track, and then you just go here, and then you select it. You play with your threshold. I'm gonna put my ISO to crazy. You see, they were not fighting together. Now I think I wanna add another instrument, which is let's say we add arcade. We're trying to find some vocal chop, some crazy vocal chop. I am thinking about the pre-chorus. Maybe we select only this, and then we're trying to find it. We're on the key of A minor, which is A minor. Lock in, and let's go. Let's go see if there is something. No, okay, get it on. Okay, let's try that.
Let me go. Tell me, I'm not done with this.
Oh, that's fire. I'm not done with this. I'm not done with this. I love it. That's it. I'm not done with this.
I'm not done. Bring me back to you. Bring me back. Bring me back to you. I'm not all you need. Yours.
Okay. I'm not done with this. Ooh. Bring me back to you. That's fire. That's fire, guys. And we can add some reverb. Let's call this one vocal chop. I'm not done with this.
Bring me back to you. I'm not done with this. Bring me back to you.
Let's see if we do. Ooh, that's fire. Ooh, guys, please tell me in the comment section which one you prefer, the low octave or this one, which is, or the low octave, which is this one, the deep voice. We are going to try to introduce a new melody on the bridge. That's gonna bring more variety to our instrumental. So let's try to find something nice. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. And then, okay, it's like we are going to copy this right there. Comment B, comment B. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, it's like we copy this same thing right there, and then we only change those to this. Dun, dun. Okay, maybe we start with this, like that is going to be for our bridge. And I think this is all that I want for the instrumental now. Maybe when I'm doing the arrangement, I can definitely add some hi-hat, because sometimes I feel that I need some hi-hat or some shakers. I'm not sure, but if I do add something, I will go back and then give you the explanation of what I did. So now I'm going to go off camera, because when I'm doing my arrangement, I take a lot of time, and I don't want this video to be much more longer than this. So yeah, let me do that and then get back to it all. Guys, I did add the hi-hat like I told you. This is the hi-hat pattern that I have. Pretty simple hi-hat pattern. It's like we use 3 hi-hat, and then we have the first one and then the second one that do the, you have hi-hat rolls, and then I just add the conga right there. And also for the chorus, I felt that the chorus need to be bigger. This is the reason why I add a strings and then I add a pad. It is the same cooperation with the e-piano that we create. And also I combined the first e-piano with the second one, which is this right there. I use the Mark 1 crystal that bring depth to the one that we already have. I am dropping this beat on my instrumental channel. I am gonna make sure to link it in the description box. Now enjoy. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions, please leave a comment down below. Also follow me on Instagram at Samy Beatz, and see you in the next one.